Okay, we're back. I've drilled it out to 750, and I just took a first bore. It's at about 775 right now. We're going to take a little more off so I can show you the operation, and then I'll finish off the ring off camera. But I'll just show you the boring operation right now. I have a little magic marker mark on the boring bar. Little black line so I know where to stop the automatic feed. Well, this is boring piston rings for the Raritan. Thank you for watching. Here's the disengaging lever for the feed. There we go. That's it. To be continued. Thank you for watching.